Welcome back to Learning Bot channel. In this tutorial, we're delving into a crucial aspect of Python, which is variable conversion. Understanding how to convert between different data types can save you from those pesky errors. So, let's dive right in. In Python, we deal with three types of data: numbers, strings, and booleans. But what happens when you need to convert the value of a variable from one type to another? Well, that's where our trusty built-in functions come into play. Let me demonstrate. We'll start by using the input function to read the user's birth year. The value returned by the function is automatically a string, so we store it in a variable named birth_year. Now, let's calculate the user's age. We take for example the current year, 2023, minus the birth year. But wait, running this crashes our program. That's because we're trying to subtract a string from an integer. The error message tells us we have unsupported types for subtraction, int and str. Int stands for integer and str represents a string. When we use the input function, it returns a string, even if we enter a number. To solve this, we introduce the int function. This magical function converts our birth year string into a numeric representation, allowing for smooth subtraction. And there we go. By using the int function, we have successfully calculated the age. Running the program with a birth year of 1981 will return 42 years old. But that's not all. Python offers a variety of built-in functions for different conversions. We have float for floating point numbers, bool for booleans, and str for strings. Whether you're dealing with integers, floats, booleans, or strings, Python's got you covered with these versatile functions. If you're excited about mastering Python's built-in functions, smash that like button, subscribe for more coding wisdom, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for joining us today and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.